warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me show you what kind of backpack you needed to take it to the Mina, and how what essential stuff you really needed. So for the Mina, first of all, let me tell you, like, Mina is our days of the survivor. You don't have to worry about so much stuff. But of course, like, we are living in this time of the world where it's like the comfort and luxuries are everywhere, so it's really hard to live for a 5 days without our comfort. So these are like some essential stuff which gonna help you throughout the times of in the Mina. So this is a very small backpack, like a gym bag. Here you are able to see it, and like the most compatible and easy to carry. Okay, you can able to find these backpack anywhere in the on the Amazon or any other sports stores. So what I'm gonna keep it inside my this backpack, let me show you. You really don't need to keep like two pairs of your clothes, but in case, like, I'm keeping the two pair of my clothes we haven't used, like, even though in our time, rather than like a one pair which we forcefully change it, so we kept, like, now I'm keeping like two pairs of my clothes and my hijab and everything, so in case if I need to change it. Here is another thing which you really don't need it, but for going to the washroom in the Mina and taking a shower, you have to keep one pair of the flip-flop. This is not the haram indoor flip-flop. This is like just the regular, like regular type of a flip-flop. I'm keeping it. So here I'm keeping like a few of the pads inside my backpack in case if something happen. Okay, and here I need, these are the stuff which is like a luxury. I really don't need it, so I'm keeping it a hair brush inside my backpack, and I'm keeping in my backpack the universal adapter, because you're gonna use that universal adapter in the Mina. You can keep it inside. There's a switchboards. There's a very few switchboards, so make sure, like, if your adapter can share like a 2 and 3, so the other can also get the benefit of this. So I'm keeping this universal adapter in my backpack, so I'm gonna keep this in here in the side pocket. Okay, these are the extra luxury stuff which I'm keeping it. I don't need it more than a one pair of my clothing, but now I'm just showing you guys what you can keep it. So I'm gonna keep the biofreeze or magnesium oil inside my backpack. Here is my Mina toiletry kit. What that toiletry kit contain, let me show you. This is like a flashable wipes inside the toiletry kit. Here I go my deodorant, my toothbrush, and my body wash, my shampoo, conditioner, sorry, my shampoo, my toothpaste, facial cleanser, which I really don't need it, but I am keeping it because these are all unscented stuff, and few of the these stuffs. And the most important stuff is like my ass hook. Let me show you. This is my Mina toiletry kit, and here we go, my ass hook like this. So I have to hang my toiletry kit in my ass hook whenever I'm going and using my washroom. Okay, so this is my toiletry kit. I'm gonna keep this toiletry kit all the time inside my Mina backpack, and I'm not taking any stuff out from this, rather than the only toothbrush for the night of the Muzdalifah. And I'm keeping like a few of the electrolytes bottles inside my backpack. I'm keeping for the 5 days the 5 bottles. So that was my idea, but it's up to you how much you want to keep it. So that's all you needed for the Mina. Here we go, and that's all I needed for spending the 5 days in Mina. And here I go, let me show you the other my essential crossbody backpack, which is mentioned in the link. In this backpack I'm keeping my mobile phone. Here I go with keeping my mobile phone inside my backpack in this crossbody bag, and I am keeping credit card inside this crossbody, and I am keeping some of the pads and some of my period medication and cash money inside my crossbody backpack. That backpack is always with me in the Mina, Muzdalifah, Arafat, and all the time of the Hajj, wherever I'll go. That backpack is always in the crossbody position in my with me. And also, this gray backpack contains each and everything essential which I am going to need it for all the time of the Mina, Arafat, and the night of the Muzdalifah. So this, it has each and everything. So, and going to the Jamarat, you just have to keep like a few stuff out from this backpack. So let me show you one more time what it contains. The soap and the sanitizer hanging on the side. I decided to use my head, so there's that one clip on the side. I can hang my head with this. Here is my sunblock on the side. And inside this backpack, inside here is my sunglasses. Let me show you my unsanitized and fragrance-free lotion and lip balm, and my electrolyte, and this gloves if I needed to use it for grabbing the Muslim shower from the inside of the WC or toilet. So, and this is my ass soap, and some of the tissue tablets inside to refresh my wazoo or either wipe off something. Okay, so that's how my my gray backpack, which is like always like with me, look like from the back pocket. And here I'm going to show you off like how the inside pocket of my backpack look. Here I go, and here inside I have my mist water bottle, my umbrella, UV protective umbrella, my fruit banana cover if I don't need it, so I'm not decided not to take it, but you need some of the snack to keep it yourself little bit full. And my roll-on Vaseline, I always keep it whenever you use the washroom. Don't wait to get the rashes done, use that Vaseline. And my flashable wipe inside my backpack, my dua book is inside my backpack, and pen, and my fan is inside my backpack, my travel inflatable pillow is inside my backpack, and my praying mat is inside my bag, also inside my backpack. With the help of the baby pin, I organized few of the stuff, stick on that stitching part of the pocket inside. And here my toothbrush and toothpaste for the night of the Muzdalifah I needed, and the polystyrene and some bandage inside. And here is some facial tissues. And here I kept my all medication, two tablets of all the medication inside my backpack for all the time. That's my little medical bag for me. And here I go show you my wipe pouch, where I'm going to keep like few of the wipes inside my backpack. So that's all the stuff goes inside my backpack, and I'm gonna carry this to the Mina and to the Arafat and for the night of Muzdalifah. So if you want to keep like something else which is like you think essential for you, you can also keep that. So here let me show you quickly how it's look like once it gets organized nicely. So that's all the stuff you needed to take it to the Mina. So don't worry about this, like you don't have, no matter what people are doing or not, do not take this backpack to the Arafat and the Muzdalifah. You will get really tired, okay? Do not take this, okay? And here I'm going to keep everything inside my backpack, and let me show you one more time how does my backpack look like. Now I am ready to go to the Mina. This is my everyday essential backpack, and here is my big backpack where my few clothings are inside. And let me show you, I am also keeping my Quran inside my backpack. So if my Quran comes on the top of my clothing and other stuff, it would be fine, as long as it's not the part of my flip-flop. So I either keep my flip-flop on the side or underneath my clothes, okay? So that's all the stuff I needed for the Mina, Arafat, in the night of Muzdalifah. and I am going to use my hiking sandal, the Tiva hiking sandal, for that day, so I don't need to keep any other shoes with me. So that's all. Hopefully this video is beneficial for you. Jazakumullah khair for joining us.